So good morning, UEI family and PDS family. We have started a new partnership with UEI College at the Dental Assisting Program. We have campuses from Anaheim, let's hear it, West Covina, and Ontario. The collaboration and the engagement has been off the charts today. As we work alongside numerous DA programs, one of them being UEI, we've established the DA Bootcamp. We're expanding both the personal and professional skill set of the next generation of leaders. When I say personal, we're one-on-one with them in group activities, asking about resume building, interviews, do's and don'ts. What's your elevator pitch? Now let's take it to the clinical part. CEREC is our modern proven technology. You are going to design a CEREC restoration to go inside a patient's mouth, all within an hour. Think you can't do it? We're gonna do it together. And I look forward to partnering with both faculty and future UEI DA students to be able to expand that clinical and professional skill set. Have your mind open and your mindset ready to work as we work alongside both you, faculty, and Pacific Dental Services dental assistants.